everyone, it's Kate with What's the Haps with the Daps, coming at you live from my office. You see that? You see my plant babies?
Yes!
They have names. That one's Jill. Jill's a bit of a mess. But enough of my compulsive buying. Let's go. First up, we have Decentraland, one of the pioneer metaverses that is now a DAO. Decentraland is a 3D virtual world browser-based platform. Users can buy virtual plots of land in the platform as NFTs via the Nano cryptocurrency, which uses the Ethereum blockchain. It was open to the public in February of 2020, just before COVID hit, so I think that was their saving grace. Yeah, COVID disrupted everything. Members can explore land owned by users and experience incredible scenes and structures and architecture. I mean, there's a lot going on here. From a space adventure to a medieval dungeon maze to entire villages crafted from the minds of the community members. I mean, anything is possible here. But call me when there's a Stranger Things upside down virtual realm that you can explore.
Chrissy, wake up!
Next up, we have Juno. Juno is a proof-of-stake blockchain built using the Cosmos SDK and serving as a cross-chain smart contract hub for the Cosmos ecosystem. But what's a smart contract? And does it stand to reason then that there are dumb contracts? Well, yeah, lots of dumb things exist. I mean, just go look at my Facebook statuses circa 2009. We were in a recession. But honestly, a smart contract, according to IBM, is simply a program stored on a blockchain that runs when predetermined conditions are met. They are typically used to automate the execution of an agreement so that all participants can immediately be certain of the outcome without any intermediary involvement or time loss. To this end, smart contracts are helpful because they accompany many blockchain activities, hastening transaction speeds, ensuring performance, and increasing protections for associated parties entering into the agreement. And in Juno's case, it's aiming to be more of like a helpful sister network to the Cosmos Hub. The Cosmos WebAssembly, or CosmWasm, yeah, I know, is a smart contracting platform that brings WebAssembly, the WASM, into the Cosmos SDK. This WebAssembly plays as an intermediate language, allowing developers to program and launch smart contracts in many different programming languages. Ah, so it's like a polyglot. I love it when you talk foreign. On to the next one, Compound. Now, Compound is a software that runs on Ethereum, and it aims to incentivize and distribute networks of computers to operate a traditional money market. So, in a nutshell, Compound allows users to deposit cryptocurrency into lending pools for access by borrowers. Lenders then earn interest on the assets that they deposit, hence the name. So you can stop stuffing your cash in your mattress because, yeah, that's a rookie hiding place. And anyone who owns Comp can make decisions on the future platform, including being able to vote on Compound's interest rates and other major decisions. By the people, for the people. Next on the list, we have the BAT token. And no, it doesn't have anything to do with a certain superhero with a tragic past. But it has everything to do with ad blocking, so it is kind of like a superhero. BAT stands for Basic Attention Token. Basic attention was what I strived for in school until they got me medicated. Basic Attention Token is a product of the Brave browser, and this open source browser focuses on privacy, security, and, as you may have guessed, cryptocurrency. How does it work? Well, a Brave user can choose to drop the ad blocker and actually view the advertised content.
But why would you want to do that?
Well, because money.
Yes.
Brave's advertising system, Brave Rewards, works by offering users to be paid in BAT if they actually choose to watch any of the advertised content. And it ends up being a triple whammy win for both the viewer, the advertiser, and the publisher. Win, win, win. And of course, you're not going to be paid in fat stacks, but it is a low-effort way to earn some income without having to do very much. Even your parents can do it.
Wow.
And they said this stuff is way over their heads. But honestly, your parents taught you to use a spoon, so pay it forward. And lastly, we have ENS, which stands for Ethereum Naming Service. I thought ENS stood for Everyone's Nearly Sexy. So in the Web 2 world, this would have been DNS, but in the Web 3 world, it is running on Ethereum. You can use your ENS name to store all of your addresses and receive cryptocurrency, tokens, and NFTs. And it works across the board, from wallets like Coinbase to apps like Uniswap and OpenSea, and even browsers like MetaMask. You can own your username, store an avatar and other profile data, and use it across services. You just end up saving a bunch of time with this service. It's
sensational.
And that is it from me. I'm going to hand things over to Mick, who's ready with our guest of the week.